everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the trade analysis for 30th December, Thursday, and also the expiry analysis, how the expiry can take place, and a trade review of what happened today. Today was a beautiful trading day, especially those who use CPR. You had many chances. One is from this S1, we reversed until CPR was the first target during the opening itself, and R1, if somebody was not able to capture this. The second good trade was this, where even I traded this. I'm just going to expand this. What I have opened here is the 5-minute chart of Banknifty along with the daily, weekly and the monthly CPR levels. See, exactly at R1, okay, we got a beautiful evening star. It cannot get better than this. A rejection pattern, a candlestick pattern, rejection candlestick pattern coming right at the resistance at R1, where we also had previous price action support, not just R1. Here we took resistance, here we took resistance. We have taken resistance at 35,300 a couple of times. So we got a beautiful rejection here and a quick scalp until CPR was the best trade. And rest of the day it remained choppy. Didn't expect it to be choppy until 3. Kind of thought it'll be like sideways and probably 1 or 2 or 130 will get some move. I was kind of waiting for this trend line, this triangle pattern to break to take a further shot. Okay, by the time we came at 3, right? I generally don't trade post 3, so I just stopped everything, and exactly at 3 o'clock we got a fall. If somebody patiently waited until 3 o'clock, even when this trend line, when this kind of the structure broke, could have taken a shot. This was more profitable trade, but we could just do one initial trade and we stopped. Just going easy with the lots. Will be back with the full-fledged trading post New Year. So this was the good trades that happened today. Now coming for the trade possibility for tomorrow. I'm just going to shift to a 15-minute chart in Banknifty so that the levels are clear. And see, this is the chart where I have the weekly, monthly and the daily CPR added. And this is a chart where I mark all the levels based on the price action. Okay. See, we have, I'm going to make this also a resistance line. See, today we have broken one good support, that is this 35,000 and 35,200, where we had a strong support throughout the day. We broke that and we came almost until 34,900, and this closing price is because of that last 30 minutes gives that not the exact closing price, it gives the average weighted closing price or something. So that's the reason it's showing 35,000. So the next support on the downside is this level, where previously also we took support, right? So if anybody was shorting, immediately if you just zoom back, you would have seen previous support. We could have booked profit here. It was also close to S2 of CPR. Same place around 34,900 we have taken support. If this 34,900 breaks tomorrow, then I don't see a significant support until 34,630. And looking at the CPR levels also, we have a good support S3 at 34,620. And before that, keep in mind at S1 at 34,820, we have this weekly CPR. Sorry. So we'll have to see whether the price, if in case we dip, right, the price comes and takes some kind of a support here or just pierces through this. So this CPR level could act as this is a weekly CPR, it could act as a reversal point. So we'll have to be careful with this. Even if that CPR breaks, then probably we are heading to 34,640. And if that breaks, the next support is coming in based on these two price action. We can get a support of 34,400. If not tomorrow itself. And anything on the upside, we can face some resistance even here. That is again 34,200, and obviously 34,300 will be our significant resistance. If we break all this, only then probably we'll go to 35,500. And there is one good trend line that we can make use of. That is this. So in case we get a pretty bullish move, right, and break out of this trend line, probably we can see higher levels now. And we gave pretty good observations on our Discord server yesterday. We had posted that 35,300, 200 has some good resistance. We had posted some extra OI levels, and even during the market we gave some good observations on our Discord server. So this is a trade possibility in Banknifty for tomorrow. Now coming to the option chain in Banknifty, just to see some good support and resistance. Banknifty. See, we do have some support at 35,000. Put sellers are there, but today the change in OI shows more call sellers have been added. So 35,000 can be a resistance tomorrow, and a good support is only coming in at 34,500. So in case we get some kind of a good rejection sign at 35,000, right, we can take a shot. Probably 34,500 can be touched tomorrow, and anything above that we have a good resistance all throughout. See the change in OI in terms of put and the call. The call side, there's more change in OI for the call side, so more call sellers have come in. The put sellers are only strong at, who have come in is at 34,700. So if we dip, we might take some support at 34,700. So that is for Banknifty. Now just looking at Nifty chart, even Nifty had a dip, a nice dip today from these levels, and we dipped almost 100 points. See, tomorrow if Nifty breaks this 17,160, right, we could fill this gap at 17,100, and that's where even the open interest data is showing, support is showing. I'll be showing you that. And anything on the upside, probably this is a very good resistance, that is 17,240. So if this breaks, probably we can see 17,300 levels. And if 17,160 breaks, probably we can see 17,100. I don't see Nifty going below that, but if we go below this, the next support can only come at 17,000 based on the open interest and this price action here. So just looking at the open interest for Nifty, see, we have a good support at 17,200. Also, we have some put sellers still there, and 17,100. There's hardly, a lot of call sellers have exited. So if we dip, 17,100 can be a good support, and even if that breaks, 17,000 for sure. And on the upside, it is 17,300 based on the open interest. So this is my plan for Nifty and Banknifty. Tomorrow is expiry, monthly expiry. We could be volatile, but the CPR levels can help us. We just to remember, we have this weekly CPR at about 34,700. We have a good resistance at 35,000, where it's almost close to the CPR. If we can get, if there's a gap down and we move until CPR and get a good rejection here, probably a shorting back until CPR can be a good trade. I'll look for something like this. So this is my analysis for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. And we just made about 3,000 bucks, just going easy with the lot size until New Year. Going to come back strong after Jan, and we had pretty good observation posted in our Discord server. In case you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and share it with anyone who trades.